DJT stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end, find out. So Trump media stock's been sitting at 31.57. Super interesting because I think it's on the bleeding edge before it gets kind of crazy, but I'm going to get into it in a second. But just for context, all I'm sticking to is a strategy that's previously delivered thousands of correct predictions, and I've documented everything. So the way that DJT looks like for me is actually just so simple, man. Like, I'll come here, boom, this is how my chart looks like. I think you can tell what this exactly means. The only way that I'll continue to buy here is if there's that second break at 33.66. And we're having pairs of numbers here, so that could be like some numerology and stuff like that. Well, I'm not into it, but I'm just saying, you know, so that's how DJT looks like. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, just click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and that's it. I mean, all I'm doing right now is just waiting for that. What happens if it doesn't give me the rules? If it goes for down, then I'm off. Obviously, I'll keep you updated, and we're gonna talk.